biotech industry's larger annual event comes to Boston this week. This is a challenging time for those who are in drug development and medical treatment. Boston has been always considered as undisputable capital of biotech, but right now with funding cutting, we don't know where it goes. So here we are, and for 4 days we will be talking about the future.
You also run this beautiful Polish pavilion at the Bio this year.
This is the fourth time we're doing it. We are happy to be back with 25 innovative Polish companies from within the biotech sector here in Boston, yet another time. And we are super excited to be here again.
Yes, this year is 25 companies, as Krzysztof said, plus 3 associations. So we have Bioforum, we have BioInmed, and a medical research agency. Both basically organized in 4 different sections. There are some companies with drug discovery and the drug development category. We have manufacturing, we have diagnostics, and digital solutions and services. So whatever is other categories.
This is exactly where Sano is, right?
This is exactly where you are, indeed.
Sano, Center for Computational Medicine from Kraków, is not exactly industry. We are a research institute, but we are happy to join this pavilion. And we are at one of the largest trade shows globally.
This year, our booth is quite nice, I would say, in a good location. Between different economic development organizations in the United States and different and other pavilions, and we do have a lot of traction here. A lot of people coming by, interested in Polish life science sector. And what is particularly good is that the people start to remember Poland from the previous editions as well. So our job here is to represent you and Polish businesses, to make it easier for you to make a presence in the United States as Polish brands.
There are so many developments of the AI model for medicine. So previously they are really focused on the AI algorithm itself, but recently there's a paradigm shift from the models to data. So the AI has been promoted by the open science of that kind of AI algorithm, but we need to follow this kind of data paradigm shift of the open data. So we have launched our data platform for the global collaborative research.
This is very ambitious goal itself that you open, but what do you want to achieve through sharing the access to data?
The AI model built on a single country or a single institution, the AI model's performance can be biased, but we pursue to develop the generalized AI models for the whole world. So we need to share our Korean population data. So we believe that this kind of things can be promoting the AI researchers globally to build the generalized models and unbiased performance.
Yeah, and right now, what is the size of the data that you curated and it's ready on the platform to be used?
There are curated data sets which include 10 subset of all data sets from our hospital. It includes clinical information and ECG biosignals and medical images and clinical notes and genetic test results. But we have additional data to be utilizable for the global collaborative research, which include 2.5 petabyte from 6 million patients. So for 20 years of our clinical experience, these data are utilizable for global collaborative research.
So there's a lot of changes as far as where the industry is going towards, right? So historically, everything's been small molecules, going towards cell and gene therapy, biologics. Now there's a big push for integration of AI and predictive models. But all in all, I think there's a lot of excitement with all the genome data that's being developed and gathered from different countries, especially in the Emirates. I don't know if you know this, but the Emirates have genomed their entire population, so of nationals. It's very impressive. 800,000 people have been genomed. They're now going to expats that data set is going to be extremely important for clinical development and even for novel drug discovery.
I started this company to solve my problem. I'm glaucoma patient. I had a very bad glaucoma. So I only lost half of my vision in my right eye. So that's very unfortunate case for myself. But there's no symptom. It's like silent killer. So I tried to identify those asymptomatic disease risk across the world. So I started this company patient's perspective. And I started this company with my doctor who found my problem. So he tried to figure out some another cabin's problem across the world. So that's my mission and his mission. So try to prevent all the asymptomatic disease in the world. So yeah, that's our start.
How do you see the translation pathway from your early stage research to the final product? How complex this was from your experience, and what are the challenges that you had to overcome to get the product launched initially in Korea, I guess, but then you are expanding to other markets?
Right. Actually, we started this work about over 8 years ago.
All right.
And it's like been a while to bring it to the market. Actually, we published our first very important paper publication in the Lancet Digital Health at 2021. So even after the publication, we need some time to launch in the market because we need some clinical consensus that eye could be the window to the human health, including cardiovascular one, and the regulatory hurdle, and some real-world evidence, and some great reference to persuade our customer. So then those some challenges was there.
So of course it's a very big event. I think the most prestigious one in the United States, in the region. So, and we are happy that Poland now has a name here.